As I told you in last part, astronauts can go to the future, but not to the past. Most scientists will also say it to be impossible to travel to the past. But first, let's create a timeline with points of present and from the day that Adolf Hitler was born. And the way I was talking about is a wormhole. Yes, in theories we can travel with a wormhole, but it is smaller than an atom. So to keep its mouth open, we need a tremendous amount of energy. And somehow we kept it open. We can go in it. So let's see this cycle. You travel to past. You killed baby Adolf Hitler. So no war. In future no one knows about Hitler. And if no one knows, in future no need of you to go to past. And if you don't go to past, Hitler stays alive. And if he stays alive, he declares war. Then you again travel to past and the cycle continues. So it means there's no really any advantages of going to the past. Now let's see what else can happen. You go to the past, you kill Adolf Hitler, and something happens you are not ready about. An alternate timeline evolves. Now you have to live in the alternate timeline. There is no real you in the original timeline, and the alternate timeline goes with you.